Hello. Did you know that daily movement can be one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your health? Today we'll explore how walking and running, two of the easiest forms of exercise, can positively impact your body and mind. Just 30 minutes of daily walking brings incredible benefits to your health. Your heart becomes stronger and circulation improves, bones and joints become healthier, stress and worries noticeably decrease, daily energy levels increase, and sleep becomes deeper and more restful. When you're ready for more intense movement, running offers even more advantages. Your heart and lungs become more resilient, the body releases happiness hormones that improve mood, physical and mental endurance grows, metabolism speeds up, and self-confidence increases. Don't worry if you're a beginner, start with 20 to 30 minutes of walking, try alternating running and walking for short intervals, listen to your body, choose pleasant routes, and move at your own pace. You can easily incorporate movement into your daily routine by walking or biking to work, choosing stairs instead of elevators, taking a short walk during lunch breaks, parking further away, and using phone calls as walking time. Remember, it isn't about whether you run marathons or simply walk laps in the park, it's about movement itself. Every step, every minute of running brings you closer to better health. Start today, your body will thank you. Every effort you make is a victory, contributing to your overall well-being. Whether it's a casual stroll around the block or a brisk jog through your favorite trail, the key is consistency. Set achievable goals, find a buddy to keep you motivated, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of this journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Keep in mind that it's about progress, not perfection, and celebrating small victories can lead to significant changes over time. Let's commit to moving more and embracing the joy that comes with a more active life. Your adventure begins now. Every effort you make is a victory, contributing to your overall well-being. Whether it's a casual stroll around the block or a brisk jog through your favorite trail, the key is consistency. Set achievable goals, find a buddy to keep you motivated, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of this journey towards a healthier lifestyle. As you embark on this journey, remember to focus on how movement enhances not just your physical health but also your mental clarity and emotional resilience. This transformation positively affects every aspect of your life, empowering you to live fully and vibrantly. Embrace it wholeheartedly.